Let's see how to have a creative presentation with simple tricks. Hi guys, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, you'll learn some simple tricks in PowerPoint. Let's start. In first step, download any picture that you want and paste it in PowerPoint. And then duplicate of this picture. Now, select your second picture and go to the picture format and remove its background. Remove the all part that we don't need and mark areas that it needs to keep. And save your changes. Then put it in the right place. Now add your text out of your slide. For example, it's my text. Add it out of your slide. Now duplicate of your slide. Select your main picture. It's my main picture, okay? And then go to the picture format, picture effect, and click on more. Go to the artistic effect, open it, choose blur for your main picture. You can change the number of your blur, 11 or 12, it's okay. And then select on your other picture. By selection pane, you can select it better. It's your car. Select it and by shift click, make it bigger and put it in a place that is better. And then add your text in your slide. Then select both slide and go to the transition and choose morph transition. Let's see what's happened. Go to the slideshow and play it. Okay, by these simple tricks, you can have a creative presentation. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you a lot.